Hey, welcome back in, guys. It's Brandon with Taylor's Fire and Smoke Cooking. Today, I might have one of the most simple, complete meals you could ever make. We're making Zesty Italian Chicken with roasted potatoes and carrots. One pan, simple prep, simple ingredients, simple to do. Quite naturally, we have some Zesty Italian dressing. You're going to be using some of that. I'm also using roasted garlic and rosemary and sea salt seasoning. I found this at Ross. Most people probably don't have this, but you can use complete seasoning or Saison Perfecto or something to that nature, something that's not high in sodium, but it's going to add a lot of flavor to your dish. Carrots, potatoes. I have some onions and pepper blend here. And the simple part about it is we're going in one of these oven bags. These were super popular when I was a kid. We used to make roasts and different things like that all the time. Found these at Dollar Tree, as a matter of fact. So we're going to be combining everything, throwing it in one of these bags, cooking it at 350 for about an hour and a half, and everybody's going to be able to eat. The beauty of this particular dish, you can get it prepared in the morning, put it in the fridge, your kids get home from school, say, hey, set the oven on 350, throw that pan in there, let it sit for about an hour and a half, and you guys will have dinner. If you got a husband or a wife that can't cook, prep it up, have it ready for them, just throw it in the oven, and everything is simple and ready to go. So let's get it put together, and we'll let you see how easy this thing really is. Let's go ahead and get this put together. So in my bag right now, I have about 11 chicken legs here. Came out to about 3 pounds of chicken, so you can use legs, you can use thighs, pretty much whatever you want. We got legs today. I got my seasoning here, and we're just going to go in with a nice liberal amount of our garlic, rosemary seasoning here. Give it a shake. All right. Then we have 1.5 pounds of these small potatoes here. And this is a half a bag of baby carrots. And then we're going to go ahead and throw some seasoning on those as well. Put our bell pepper and onion blend in. Now, if you got fresh onion and bell pepper, knock yourself out. Give everything a toss again. As far as my seasoning is concerned, I use about 2 tablespoons of seasoning. Now we're going to go in with our Zesty Italian. Whole bottle. Close it up. And again, kind of want to flatten it out some and let all your chicken kind of sit flat if you can. And it's good to try to use a pan like this if you got it. Alrighty. That's it. It's just that simple. 350 degrees, about an hour and a half. We're going to be ready to roll. So when it's done. All right, guys, I just took it out of the oven. I'm going to go ahead and let it cool for just a little bit. Then we'll let you see what's on the inside real soon. All right, family. So we've let this chicken rest for a little while. We'll go ahead and crack this bag open and let you see what we got going on. Now, the chicken is not going to be necessarily golden brown being cooked in this bag, but it's going to be fall off the bone tender. You can see these potatoes and the carrots are nice and tender, fork tender. So that's actually what you want. It's nice and simple. And just look how that chicken pulls right off the bone. So this is a really good, quick, easy meal. Try it. Let me know what you think. God bless.